Well, this is a expected question only, as you all are aware that why we have been bound to leave the party is, I think it's a open secret kind of. Long before we quit the party, everyone is aware that being the party MLA, being the ruling party, NPP party MLA, we have been sidelined in many ways. We have been, even in our own constituencies, we have no say, and, literally, we were kind of driven out. But nevertheless, we gracefully follow, we gracefully accept whatever our leaders are taking, a kind of decision. And it is open to everyone that it is a predetermined plan by the party against us. So it is quite meaningless to hang on to the party, but till the end we have been so patient, we have waited for the term to come to an end, and it is time for us to move on. It is not an overnight decision, but it is a long-drawn, conscious move, so that we can also move on, as we are all already a committed leaders. We are a committed representative of our respective constituencies. So we have our own responsibilities to move on. That is the reason we have to look for a better and bigger platform to serve and deliver the people of our respective constituencies in particular, and the people of the state in general, in a much better way.
You've mentioned that it is a predetermined decision. So is this because that the CM is planning to contest also from Sarsela?
That I won't have any comment on that, because as I have already made it, or the party leaders have already categorically stated after our resignation that they have already, even for that matter, State President Dr. Faluki has made it very clear that they have already decided, filling somebody else in our place. So there is no room for us. So when there is no room in our brother's house, we have to go and look for a room in our father's house.
Don't you think that this is too late of you joining the BJP? Because your senior member, who is also the president of the BJP.
So let me
just finish it up just with madam. Because your vice president of the party, Mr. ïaid, has been very vocal against, all out against the ruling MDA government under the leadership of Ferlin CA Sangma. Don't you think that this is too late for you of joining the BJP now?
I don't think it is late. In fact, we have taken the decision in the right time.
Yes.
Because, that's why I have made it, I'm making it very categorical that this is a very, very conscious move. I have to decide with my people. I cannot take decision on my own, because I have been voted by my people. So I have to go and explain to my people also about my decision.
Can you also share with us, like for 4 years you have been with the NPP, what have they been discussing about the development of the state? Are they focusing towards the people or for their own benefits?
See, I can only speak on behalf of, in respect of my own constituency only. See, many a times there are occasions where my voices were not heard, my decision was not honored, and I have suffered, lot of pain and humiliation, but I have taken it in a very positive stride so that I can move on. But I think the time has come, the time has been right where I have to look for a better platform.
Now that you have joined the NPP, what is your appeal to the BJP leaders to go all out against the NPP? Because few were members, especially the
See, we are not going to go against anybody particularly. We will focus to our own field, we will focus to our own agendas. We are not, vindictive, or we are going all out against anybody.
Yes.
Is there
We
any,
are only for BJP, Narendra Modi.
Yes, we are for BJP, we are for Modi ji, and we will
For development.
development.
is there,
We will
Yes.
development.
is there any dictatorship in
Yes, please, Raymond here.
No, that also you all know, you can.
Okay, please come.